This is a browser tab. Those are folder windows. Drag them, resize them, snap them to a grid. Your files didn't move to the cloud. The desktop moved into Guaardvark. Got years of files sitting in a folder? Point the importer at it. The whole tree comes in with its nesting intact. Contracts, research, invoices, media. 10 files just became a client workspace. And you never leave to look at anything. A contract opens right in place. The viewer is built into the window. Scroll it, read it, close it. The quarterly briefing is a Word document. It just opens. No download, no second application. Spreadsheets render straight from the folder, live rows, not a preview. None of this ever left the machine. It's already home. And audio plays right where it lives. Listen.
And this is Kokoro, the fast fallback voice.
Folders with pictures get a gallery view, opt-in per window. And full screen with paging. Your renders and your photos, one keystroke apart. Folders can belong to someone. Link this one to a client, tag it, and everything inside inherits the link. That's how the rest of the system knows whose work this is. Now the important part, index the folder, then ask. But don't take the answer on faith. This is the retrieval test, the actual chunks it found with the actual scores. If the system is ever wrong, you can see exactly where. Code gets the same treatment. This folder is the system's own repository. Live, browsable, language detected. Same windows, same rules. Your code is just another folder here, one the system can read. So your files have a desktop, viewers, owners, and a search that shows its work. Who tunes those retrieval parameters? The system does, overnight. That's episode 11. One machine, no cloud.